Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the Guarda wallet. Here's my take on the G wallet after using it for a while. The G wallet is a multi-currency, non-custodial wallet designed for both crypto newbies and seasoned veterans who prioritize control and flexibility. In my experience, its broad compatibility with over 400 cryptocurrencies, including big names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and a vast array of ERC20 and BEP20 tokens, is a real highlight. This extensive support makes G Wallet an excellent option for users with diverse crypto holdings. Setting up the G Wallet was incredibly easy. I was particularly impressed by the clean, user-friendly interface, which made navigation a breeze. A key feature that sets G Wallet apart is the integrated exchange. This allows for quick and secure cryptocurrency swaps directly within the app, eliminating the need to transfer assets to external exchanges. This is a significant advantage for users who value speed and efficiency. The ability to purchase crypto directly within the wallet using a credit card is another plus, making it a one-stop shop for both new and experienced users. Security is clearly a top priority for G Wallet. As a non-custodial wallet, you maintain complete control of your private keys, which are stored locally on your device, not on Guarda servers. G Wallet also offers multi-signature support, encrypted backups, and biometric security for mobile users. This combination of features provides strong assurance that your assets are well protected. I also found their backup and recovery processes simple and intuitive, allowing for easy wallet restoration using a backup file or seed phrase. So, who is the G Wallet best suited for? It's an ideal choice for anyone seeking a feature-rich multi-currency wallet, from long-term holders, HO dealers, to active traders. The wallet even supports staking for certain cryptocurrencies, allowing you to earn passive income without relying on external platforms. Available as a web, desktop, and mobile app, G Wallet provides the flexibility to manage your crypto assets on the go. Overall, in my experience, the G Wallet delivers a well-rounded, reliable, and secure platform perfect for those who want control without sacrificing ease of use. Whether you're holding, staking, or trading, G Wallet effectively covers all the bases.